So another measure the government announced last week was the Business Interruption Loan Scheme. This is a loan scheme set up by the government, which they will back 80% of that loan with the bank. In other words, giving the bank much more flexibility on the terms they can offer and to the businesses they can offer, because they've got a bit of security from the government. The government will also fund 12 months of interest on that loan. Therefore, to the business, it will be interest-free for the first 12 months. This has gone live Monday, 23rd of March, and we expect there to be about 40 lenders that currently are applicable for this loan scheme, your main high street banks and some others that are less known. If you feel like you need funding or working capital for this period of time, get in touch with one of the team. We've got an online brokerage platform that we can use where we can apply for you online, do all the hard work for you, upload all your documents for you, speak to a funding specialist for you, and only get you involved at the point we need you to discuss more finer details around the actual loan itself. So we can really do the heavy lifting for you in this really difficult time. So please get in touch with us if you feel that would be relevant. Like I say, it's about 40 banks that are relevant, so there's not just the one or there's not just the five, it's lots of banks that are available, and we can spread that risk across different banks to see what's available. In order to be eligible for the scheme, you need to have a turnover of less than £41 million, which for most of our clients and contacts shouldn't be too much of an issue. But also there is a maximum £5 million limit on the loan itself. The government have backed these loans and they're not charging the banks for these guarantees that they're offering. So the banks are going to be much more willing to be able to lend in this current market. You will still be under the criteria of a bank lending. It's important to note that this is not a loan with no credit checks or no lending criteria. The bank will still expect to see bank statements, accounts, potentially management accounts as well, up-to-date information, and they'll want to see a robust business plan in order to loan this money to you. So this is not a loan that's given without criteria behind it. There's a lot of work to be done behind it as well. So it's not easy money to get, but it is there and it is available, and it will be interest-free for 12 months. So if you meet the criteria, it's well worth applying and could help your business through this tough time.